Okay, let's go to sumif and sumifs. Okay, so suppose we want to do sumif. Okay, so we can sum we just do the sum first. Sum is mean all. We can use the word total. Right? The total is like the human being word. Okay, so I format it to the left to the right. Okay, so equal to sum, and then since we have only one ESP data, so we just use some EXP data. So this one should be normal. Everyone understand, right? I mean, we just try to sum all of them together. However, we can say sum. Okay, we can sum uh, only sum. Let's say sum only 310 310 data so if you have the number 310 we're gonna sum so here we can sum if sum if so we sum if exp data as usual right we sum if this one but we sum if only 310 so it means the data should match 310 in order to sum so we're gonna have two data right that is this cell and this cell so it become 360. However, this one I don't think anyone in the world gonna say sum by this number, right? So most of the time we're gonna use the criteria that is more human being. So for example, sum only less than 400. นะครับ Okay, so I want to sum only the data that is less than 400. So what we can do is mean we can say sum sum the exp sum if the exp and then the range is exp data is the same. So if you want to put the condition but the condition is like the text so you cannot just type less than 400 so you need to use double quote like and then less than 400 and then close double quote so I mean you put the text and then the Microsoft Excel gonna change this text to become the data you want. So when you use this one, they're gonna sum if only the one is lower than 400. So it means this 900 and then this one 200 will not count, right? So it's gonna be this number. You can try to add the number and then that is exactly this number. Okay. So this one is the sum if. And then sum if is quite interesting, I mean, if your guy know how to use sum if it's going to be very good for your future so I want to sum only electro electro I use the electro so what we can do is mean we can use sum if s sum if s so what is sum if s we want to sum sum the exp right I mean exp data but we did not want to sum by using criteria of exp data we use the criteria of element data so you see criteria range is the data right and then comma and then we put something like electro electro so this one is very good so we're gonna have it like the electro okay so and then because we're gonna have only some electro so electro we have 200 and 250 so it's kind of 350 okay this one is very good so that is the very interesting one sum if s and then you can put something like sum only and then suppose I didn't set electro in here and then I put electro in this one electro and then I change the formula this one to become H4 I mean this one instead H4 and then I can set change to animal so they're gonna sum only animal I said hydro they're gonna sum only hydro okay this one looks very good how come I have only one hydro right okay maybe change to pyro okay so this one is sum if s very good function and then I recommend your guy to use this one